Hi, I'm Nick with 6 Dimensions, and welcome to the first installment of CQ5 Tips and Tricks. Our goal here is to show CQ5 authors and stakeholders useful bits of functionality that may make your life with CQ5 a little easier. Today I'm going to start by showing you the cut, copy, paste functionality of CQ5 components. For authors, this is a practical method to mass produce pages while maintaining formatting or any other business rules that affect your content. The other important point is that this ability can be programmed on a per component basis. So while it's a helpful tip for CQ5 authors, it's also important for product owners to understand as a method of controlling the author experience. The first thing I'm going to do is copy a single component on a page. To find out if you can copy a component, simply right-click and see if the cut, copy, and paste functions are available. When I select copy, we're going to see the clipboard appear in the content finder, down at the bottom left here. We see that an image component has been added to the clipboard. I can now paste that component into any parsys that can accept the image component. To do so, I can either right-click on the parsys and choose Paste, or I can select the parsys with a single click, and on my Mac, hit Command-V or Control-V on a PC. So the standard cut, copy, and paste keyboard shortcuts that you're used to using will work in CQ5 as well. The next thing I want to do is copy multiple components on this page. This is useful if you want to maintain formatting and just switch out the content. When you hover over a component and you see the border, you're able to click once to select it. Holding Shift on either a Mac or a PC, Command on a Mac, or Control on a PC, I'm able to select multiple components. Now I can hit Command-C on my Mac, and we see in the clipboard that we now have 4 components, 2 title and 2 text. I can now navigate to the parsys that I want to drop these in and right-click to paste. It's pasted all of these components in the same column, so I'm going to grab onto the border and move them over into the parsys that I want them. Finally, I'm going to copy components from this page and paste them onto another. I'm going to select these 2 components and choose Copy, and we see them in the clipboard here. Now it's important to note that components in the clipboard will not follow you across other browser windows or tabs, so we need to stay within the same tab. So the way to do this is to know the URL of the page that we want to copy to. Now I've reached the products page and I still have my components in my clipboard. I can right-click this parsys and add them there. So again, this cut, copy, paste functionality should help expedite the process of mass producing content while maintaining consistency, and it can be utilized on as many or as few components as you like. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm Nick with 6 Dimensions.